Welcome to channel Qt Automation. In today's session we will see about git reset command. So what exactly git reset command is used? We can use git reset command to revert changes from staging area, and we can also use git reset command on repository level to revert or to undo the commit which we have done. So we can use git reset command to revert changes from staging area. So sometimes if you add the files into staging area, and if you want to undo those changes, if you want to revoke those changes, you can use git reset command. And also, whenever we are doing any commit to local repository, we can also undo those commit by using git reset command. Today we will only see about the first part, that is reverting changes from staging area by using git reset. And on repository level to revert the commit, this we will see in coming session. So we know the staging area is where files are placed after using git add. So from working directory, once we create the file, we add those file into staging area, and from staging area we add those file to local repository, we commit those file to local repo. So whenever you create the file in working directory, you use git add command to add that file into staging area, and from staging area we can commit those file to local repo. And sometimes if you accidentally added the files into staging area and you want to revoke that file, if you want to undo that file, if you don't want to add that file into staging area, but still if you are added by mistakenly, and if you want to revoke that file from staging area, we can use git reset command. We can use git reset command to revoke the file from staging area, and the command is git reset and the file name which we want to revoke. So this command will revoke the file from the staging area, but it will keep the changes in your working directory, so that we can continue to modify the file before again adding it back to commit. So git reset is exactly opposite of git add. So in git add command, we can add the files from working directory to staging area, and by using git reset we can revoke that file from staging area to working directory. So that file will be revoked from staging area, that file will be removed from staging area. So it is exactly opposite of git add. So in working directory to staging area, we execute git add command, but to reset that file from staging area we can use git reset command. Now let's see practically one example. So I will go to C drive. In C drive, I have created my project folder. This project folder is currently empty. So let's open git bash here. By opening git bash, we can also create the files in that folder. What is the command to create the file? I will use touch command. Let's say I am naming it as abc.txt. So we have created a file abc.txt in our working directory. I will add some content in that file by using vim command, vim abc.txt. It will open the editor. I have to use insert mode by pressing I on my keyboard. Then we will add some content, let's say apple, mango, and then we have to save this file. So escape colon wq exclamation enter. So this file is saved. So what we have done here, we have created abc.txt file in working directory, and we have added content in that file. Now what I will do, I will add that file into staging area. So to add that file into staging area, what is the first step? We have to first initialize empty git repository. So what is the command? Git init will initialize empty git repo, and then we can use git add command. then I will simply use git add file name abc.txt. So what it will do? It will add the file abc.txt from working directory to staging area. It will add the file from working directory to staging area. Now I want to revoke that file. I want to undo this change. Without changing the content in my working directory, I want to remove this file from staging area. So for that we can use git reset command. But before that, let's see ls command. ls command will show you the files present in working directory, that is abc.txt. If I want to see the file which is present in staging area, what is the command? Git ls-files. This command will show you the file which are present in staging area. So abc.txt is present in staging area as well. And I want to revoke that file from staging area. So what is the command we can use? Git reset file name. So this command will revoke that file from staging area. So now if I again use git ls -files, it will not show you abc.txt because that file is revoked from staging area, as we have used git reset command. We have used git reset command. After that, that file got revoked from staging area. It will be present in working directory. If you see, in working directory it is present, but from staging area that file is revoked. And we can again add that file into staging area. So let's say I will again use git add abc.txt. So it will again add the file into staging area. So now if I use git ls-files, it will show you abc.txt. If I again want to revoke it from staging area, then I can again use git reset abc.txt. So it will reset the file again from staging area. So now if I again check git ls-files, it will not show you any file to you because we have already undo that change. So we have revoked that file from staging area by using git reset command. So that's the use of git reset command. That's the one of the use of git reset command. So what we can do by using git reset, we can revert the changes from staging area. We can revert the files from staging area. So git reset is useful whenever you, let's say, whenever we have added the files into staging area, but we accidentally added those files. We don't wanted to add those files into staging area. In that case, we can still revoke that files from staging area by using git reset command. It will remove the file from the staging area, but it will keep the changes in your working directory. And we can still continue to modify the file before adding it back to staging area for commit. This is exactly opposite to git add. So by using git add, we can add the file from working directory to staging, and by using git reset, we can remove the file from staging area. So this is about the first use of git reset command. In next session, we will see on repo level how we can undo the commit, how we can revert the commit by using git reset. So far we have seen only for staging area, but from staging area we can commit those files, and if you want to undo the commit, then also we can use git reset command. That we will see in detail in coming session. So thank you for watching this video.